Hi. So, tell me. I'll come. Don't worry about it. It's a little difficult to come from my place. Okay then. Bye, dear.
Welcome to News Agency. Today's headlines. Criticizing the central government's decision, common public has decided to go on a nationwide strike on the 24th of this month. In the capital today, 3 bodies were found under mysterious circumstances. For further information, Dominic would be joining us. Dominic, what information do you have for us?
Jhansi, I'm right now at the place of the murder. Till now, the police hasn't been able to identify the culprits. The neighbors saw the 3 bodies this morning.
Did you get the details of that girl? I mean, name, address and other details?
Though the name and details of the girl who is in question is not revealed by the police, our sources have told us that her name is Diana.
Dominic, has the investigative team reached the place? What information can you get for us?
Jhansi, I haven't got much information. All I know is that the newly appointed inspector will be coming here in some time. He's expected here soon.
Alright, sir.
Back to the studio.
Sir,
could you please tell us
details
about the
culprit,
case?
sir?
First, let me see the dead body.
Sir, please, something.
Sir,
So
do you have
please,
any information
please.
about the
I
murderers?
mean the killer?
Yeah, regarding the killers, how many of them would be there? I think you should decide. Think properly and let me know. Let me begin my job.
Sir,
Mr. Paul,
sir,
is the procedure over?
finished, sir. That lady is admitted in the hospital. Doctor says there is nothing to worry.
Okay. Actually, who was the first witness?
He's staying close by. Hey, come here.
Hey, come soon.
Hey, Constable.
Sir?
I'll deal with it. What's your name?
My name is Thomas, sir.
Around what time did you see?
Around 6:30, sir.
Why did you come here at that time?
I'm the caretaker, sir. House owner has told me to take care of this house, sir.
Did you inquire about the owner?
I inquired about it. A man from Switzerland. I heard he is not staying over here for past 1 year.
Okay. You may leave.
Thank you, sir.
Whatever problem that happens in our company, we should stand as one. We should never let go. Okay?
Let's take leave for 2 weeks. In that time, we'll sort out everything. Oh, 2 weeks is too less to sort this out. If we don't, they'll all get together and beat us up. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
We will get it ready. Alright, you guys sit here. I will go and talk to them. Oh, you are standing here itself. I will make sure something happens now. Okay then, come inside.
Alright, should I keep the food ready?
First, you will get ready and then we can have.
I have already eaten.
Oh, then I don't want food. Yeah, all the papers are okay only. We would need a copy of this for our advocate.
I hope you like the place, sir.
Yes, but we need to do the legal verification.
Give to them.
Okay, sir, you can take it, sir.
Oh, you guys are broker.
Not at all. I am a mediator.
Oh.
He is the actual owner of the place.
Oh, welcome, sir.
Peter, that building owner has come for the rent.
Oh, God.
What should I say?
Say something and let them go.
Hello, can I talk to Peter?
Hello?
Mr. Peter, please?
No, he's not here.
Where is he gone?
He's on a tour now.
Madam, I'm broker Roy. Actually, I wanted to... Hello? Hello, madam?
I have made tea for all. If you give me some money, I'll buy biscuits also.
You put in the money.
Yeah, I put.
You do the same thing every time.
What all we thought? Project, property, profit. Oof. All our wishes got ruined right now. Oh God.
Oh, I see. I think something is cooking up. I am so concerned about you people. You must have forgotten. There are more than 6 months rent is pending. I got one suggestion for you. You people don't have to pay any rent for me. Come on, come on. You can enter now. You are seeing my office now. All these furnitures are mine. Go and have a watch.
Sir, these people...
Oh, they will leave now. Hello.
Hello, is it Dream Centers? Sir, I'm broker Roy. I just want to talk about the place.
I don't think it is going to happen. Because of rent problem, I asked them to leave. Okay, okay,
Sir,
okay.
Hello?
Okay then, bye-bye. You people don't worry about this.
If you don't buy sugar this evening, don't expect me to make coffee for you in the morning.
Oh my god. You wake up in the afternoon and you'll give me coffee.
Peter, do you know what this is? Do you know you mortgaged all the gold that I had? And this is the notice for it. You were hiding all the details from me. You could have just said something to me. I would have begged and borrowed money from my father. Are you a human being? I don't even know what else you are hiding from me. I can't stay together with you. I fed up.
Madam, we have to go there only, no?
But not like that day. I'm not going to coming back here.
You told me the same thing last
Why
time.
can't you take the vehicle?
Yes.
I heard that your office is shifted to the club, and I saw that too. I'm happy. What happened to you, Peter?
Dad, all these things are done by the office.
Good. I heard all the details from Mr. Thomas. One question. What have you decided about your wife? She told me that she's decided and she is not coming there anymore. Now I have to hear your decision too. Then I will decide everything.
Dad, I have an investor in my line. Everything will be alright in a week. After that, I will come and bring her back home. I'm sure about that.
I'm able to understand everything you told me. Whatever it is, you know that I'm also a businessman. You should never forget that. If you feel that you require about 25 lakhs of rupees, I can manage to give you.
Hey, that's not needed. Even if I have to struggle a lot, I will definitely come out of this crisis.
Okay, dear. In that case, any help, please do call me.
Hi, dude. Hey,
Hello,
I'll call you back.
Are you talking to your girlfriend?
Hey, he's a friend, man.
Well, all of them say the same thing. If she has a sister, give me her number.
You bloody
it
fool.
hurts.
I am a friend of your brother, not yours, okay? Who's that? Someone from whom I borrowed money?
Hi, who is this? The real estate business tycoon, Mr. Peter.
Oh, started.
I can't believe this. We just heard that your office has been closed now.
Oh, so you're unemployed now.
Are you not ashamed of all this? You said you were a big lion on the marketing, and we were all small brokers. Remember how you used to tease us? By the way, buddy, you used to say often something.
Useless broker.
Useless broker. But these useless brokers have settled in their life now, you know? Now you guys, when are you going to settle in your life? I don't know.
How are they going to get well settled? We asked them to join us a long time back.
But that time he was a big king, right?
Yeah. Are you done? Yeah, you are right. I am still that real estate contractor only. You will be here only, right?
Yeah, of course.
I am in a holiday mood right now.
Oh.
After that, I'll come.
Okay. The guts you have in you. That reason, the only reason why Geo George likes you.
Gio.
Gio, George. Buddy, nowadays everybody call me like that. How's my name? Huh?
Hey, bro. Just ask him to go away, man.
Buddy, don't raise your voice. Okay, we'll see later. Okay, bye bye. Good luck. See you.
But then these guys?
Buddy, we have to finalize the project. It's already getting late. Come, let's go. Come on, buddy. See you.
Oh,
Shit, I thought he's going to bash them up. Shit.
Come on, take the car fast.
go, man.
Don't stop the car anywhere, okay? Just move on.
Whatever. Nothing is happening, man.
Hey, buddy. Have you seen the cow which is next to our house?
Which cow?
Why are you teasing like that? What is wrong with the cow? Tell me. We have to make money, that's it.
What? You are talking about cow and pig and all. I will become a big builder.
Oh,
Hope both of you guys make it in life.
I told you I'll become.
oh really? Okay, then you become. Bloody nonsense.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
I saw a ad about properties. I needed to know the details of that. Where is this place, sir?
You mean that cottage? Is that Peter?
Yes, that's right.
Sir, I am broker Roy, sir.
Which Roy? Oh, you mean you are broker Roy, is it?
yeah, the same person. Sir, I heard that your company is closed.
Hey, company is not closed. I'm just taking a break for a few days. Can we go and see that place tomorrow?
Sir, I hope this time it will work out.
Come on, man. You don't believe me?
Actually, I believe you, but still...
Hey, no, but still. We will go tomorrow and see the place. If we like it, we'll register in 1 week.
In that case, do one thing, sir. You come in the morning itself.
Sure, I'll be there.
We'll go and see the place tomorrow.
All right.
Sir, come get down, sir. You saw that? This cottage is almost like a palace, sir.
Looks really nice.
Hi, Roy.
Good morning, sir. Sir, about the customer, sir. He's the man, sir.
Oh.
He's a big shot, sir. Dream Planeters.
Hello, Charles.
Hello, sir. Peter. We came to see this place.
Go ahead. Mr. Roy,
Yeah.
just show him around the
Sure,
place.
sir. Definitely,
Huh?
sir. Did you like it, sir?
Hey, it is nice.
This place is really good, you know?
But why are they selling it now?
They have to give no other way.
But the amount is very low.
Sir, they have not reduced the amount, sir. Here per square feet it is 75,000 rupees. 1 acre costs several lakhs, sir. And what about the house? Everything together it will go for about crores. So I'm sure this is a good rate, sir. If you're giving by complete amount, they will reduce
We
more.
should give it a try, right?
You try to speak to them, sir.
Have a seat. Mr. Roy, you also
Okay.
say. I think you like the place very much.
Even if I didn't see the house, I really liked
Of
it.
course he will like. I'm sure about that. Mm.
Mr. Roy,
Yeah.
let us have tea first. Then we will see the house.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, madam, why are you straining yourself?
That's okay. Here, tea for you.
Thank you.
This is with sugar free.
I have no sugar problem, but she won't allow me to have.
Oh, right.
Go ahead with your tea.
You didn't tell us your name.
Superb tea.
Just told me, but I forgot.
I am Peter.
Peter. I don't remember nowadays. That is the problem.
Okay then, let us see the house.
Mr. Roy, take him inside.
Okay. Come, sir. They don't give the time to have tea. Come, sir, we'll go and see inside.
Shirley, I have something to say. Come on, we will stand outside.
Wow. Nice place, right, sir?
It's nice.
really superb. Sir, one doubt. I hope you have cash with you. Or are you trying to play a game with me?
All that is there, man. You don't worry.
Come.
What will we do with all these small things in their house?
If they are taking, let them take it. Instead of us taking all the things, we can buy new things, no?
Even that's right.
Sir, he saw the house.
Uh-huh.
He liked it very much. Sir, what about the rest of the matter, sir?
Peter, what is your opinion about the house?
What do you expect, sir?
People have come here with very good offers. But what I think now, I don't mind selling for 1 crore. I told so to Roy also. Now it is up to you.
I am looking at this property with an investment angle.
Okay.
What about a 1, 2, 3 process? What do you think?
I will tell you a final figure. If you are ready to take, I will reduce it by 25 lakhs. Finally 75 lakhs.
75?
Mr. Roy, take your brokerage from this person only and don't come to me for that.
Don't tell me that. Don't play with me, sir.
Sir, give me a minute. Let me talk to my partners also.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, tell me.
Hey dude, where are you?
I'm at work, buddy.
We have taken a project. 1 acre of ground and 1 house. I mean, it is best suited to become a resort. You tell me, when can you come?
I'll come with James and we'll meet up.
All right, man.
Hi, Peter.
Hey, we have taken a project.
Really?
1 acre of ground and 1 superb house.
Who's funding us?
We have an investor.
That's nice.
When can you come, man?
I'll come and meet you with Philip.
Okay, then I'll talk to you. All right, sir.
Today party is confirmed.
Peter, I think we have to stay in your house for 2 days.
Why are you saying like that? If you want to stay for 10 days, you can do that. I am happy about it.
That's right, sir. You have to stay at least for 10 days, sir.
Oh no, I didn't call my partners. Let me just call them.
Yeah, you can carry on.
Hey dude, I just finished registration. Please tell the partner also. Okay, man.
It is fortunate that you have friends as partners. Is it not, Roy?
Absolutely right. I know about these partners very well, sir. They are very good people. They are really very good people, sir.
Okay, day after tomorrow, okay? Roy, take the commission from Peter.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Okay.
Did you hear that? About my commission? Sir, this is the building I've told you.
Oh, this guy. Yeah, tell me, Peter.
Hello? Hey, listen, bro.
Yeah, tell me. What news from your side?
We have taken up a new project.
Another foolish
1
project.
acre of ground and a big house.
Is it?
We have to make it into a resort. We need your help.
I'll be interested if I get some money.
Hey, nothing like that,
Then
man.
what?
We have to go and see the place. You should just help us, that's all.
Oh, is that all? That I'll get it done tomorrow itself.
Okay then, bro.
Okay then, dude.
Okay.
Tomorrow, you wait and see.
He is our own buddy.
Mr. Roy.
Yes?
Take the key.
Sure, sir. You can have it, sir.
I don't know the actual procedure. Anyway, God bless you.
You can come anytime, sir.
Yeah, that can be done. Roy, don't curse me for your commission.
Yeah, you have told me before, sir.
Okay, Peter. See you later.
Okay, sir.
You drive the car very slowly. I don't trust you.
Oh God. You could have gone in that same vehicle. Now I have to leave you.
Sir, I am not going back today, sir. You should need someone here to help you, sir. I will help you, sir.
Hey, that's not needed.
I am giving you my assurance, sir. I will not disturb you. Look, sir. Morning I will prepare bed coffee for you. Then I will clean this entire place. After that, washing your clothes. Then, if you don't have any problem, not every time, in a month, about 15,000 rupees you can give me. That's enough.
Oh, that's enough.
Hey, is this the right place?
Yeah, this is the address.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I really doubt this is the address.
No, this is the address. He gave it to me.
Well, in that case, I guess he's won a lottery. It's not possible to buy such a big property.
Look, he's over there.
Sir, who are these guys?
They are our partners. Hi, bro. Come, bro. It's been so long we have
Yeah.
What is this, man?
I just want to show you that I'm also with you, sir. That's it. Sorry. I will repeat this always. Shit. I will not do it anymore.
Who's he? He
My name
is
Roy. Broker Roy. You don't know me? Sir, tell him something about me, sir.
Broker, is he in the escort business?
Oh, sir. You...
No, don't do this.
You don't think that I am that kind of a broker, sir? Please.
Leave it, man. It's okay. No worries.
This is my usual dialogue, sir.
That is also fine. By the way, from today onwards, he is our slave.
Of course. You know something, sir? If you call me as mediator, I'll be very happy.
Okay.
Everybody's happy.
Carry my bag.
Sure, please give it to me.
Come inside.
Carry my bag too.
Yeah, please give it to me. Sir, please don't think that I'm a ghost, sir. These bags are too heavy.
Listen. We have to go to beverage after this.
Really? Sir, I like this idea very much, sir.
This is not opening. We opened it right now. Something is wrong. What is this?
Bro, don't get tensed. We'll open it.
I am not tense. You check that.
Come here, try opening it slowly.
Sir, you will open it, sir. Sir, you just write once again.
Hey, it's okay now. It is opening.
Oh,
Hey.
I'm glad.
Thank God.
Open.
Hey bro, you know what? I didn't have any money to buy this house. Yeah, you guys know about my office. I didn't have any money. I was in no man's land. You know, really, I was going to suicide.
That's really good.
What?
I mean, you're not going to suicide. Do you know something? I joined a catering service which was close to my house. I got this tasty pickle from there. You know its name? Ambrosia Caterers. To be honest, I've never tasted such yummy food in my life. I swear. It's so tasty. For all our future events, we'll order from there.
Fed up with these guys actually. I don't know anyone here. Let me just try calling him. Shit, this fellow is not reachable also. This guy is only wasting my time. I have got other work to do, man.
Yes, I have reached.
Hey, you have come, right? How long it's been?
Sir, nothing to worry, sir. Your preference is JD, and I've got the stuff. Here it is. Jack
give it
Daniels,
to me, man.
favorite drink. Have it, have it.
Here are the glasses.
Awesome, man.
Let's get down to drink.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. I will send you a request now. That is nice. You accepted, huh? Rose accepted. Ah, that is nice. I will send you a message. Hey, that is nice. Oh God, it was you.
Scared. What was that sound, buddy?
Hey, nothing, man. It's just me.
No, I don't think it was you. Wait for me.
Yeah, Peter.
Hey, bro. Why didn't you come?
Actually, what did you guys do? I came there and I tried calling you guys so many times. And your phone was switched off.
Hey, no, man. I don't think my phone was switched off.
You guys have still not stopped the same old ways of fooling around.
Hey, come on, man. If that is the case, will I call you to come?
How do I know that?
When are you going to come?
I cannot come immediately to you guys now. Actually, I am not like before. I am a little too busy right now. In fact, I am in a very good position.
All right.
Okay then.
So that means she will come. Oh God. I will have to make these people go away. I will make it happen.
Buddy, food is ready.
Yeah, I don't need. I will eat later.
The food is really spicy, buddy.
Yeah. I told Roy before not to put in so much of masala.
Yeah.
But whatever said and done, the food was really tasty, right?
Of course. Every night in my dreams, I see you, I feel you. La 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 la.
Cool breeze.
Hey, bro.
Yeah?
When are you going home?
What do you mean? What are you saying? I'm not going anywhere.
Oh God, I don't think he will go. Hey, you guys just go home and come back.
No.
You guys know about him. He won't come at all.
Why? Did he ask you for the money which you owe him?
No.
Did he say he'll come only if you give it to him?
Hey, it is not like that. He has some urgent work to do. That is why he is not coming. Anyway, you guys just go home and come back. No, that's what I am saying. Understand?
Aren't you going?
Hey, right now, if I go home, there is nobody.
So you're not going from here, right? In that case, I'm also not going.
Me too.
Hey, it's not like that. Tomorrow an architect is coming.
What?
It's a girl. Wow. I can't make her stay here with you guys. That is why.
Now I get
So
it.
that's the reason.
Okay. And one more thing. When she comes tomorrow, our house should be completely clean.
Definitely.
You understand?
Of course.
Hi, Peter.
Hi. Hey, leave it. I will take it. How did you like our house?
Let me just see.
How was your journey?
Not bad.
Come.
She looks very old. What do you say? It's okay. I like her. In that case, I like her too.
She's coming. Hi. Take a seat.
Yeah, please have a seat.
Okay.
Hey, bro.
Yes, boss. Yeah, I'm coming.
Hey, did you like our food?
I prepared it.
But it's not good.
I followed his instructions, you know. You say it's not good. I need this. Don't expect me to cook again, okay? I've stopped it. Yeah.
Why is she standing there? Wow. You woke up this early. That is great.
Thanks, Peter.
Hey, what is it?
I should agree on one thing about you. You have picked up a perfect house. It's really beautiful. I liked it.
Yeah, I also liked it.
If you could give entrance on all the 4 sides, then it will look like a heritage house.
Oh, that would be nice. You are really great, man.
I need to buy some A3 paper.
Girls should be like this.
Somebody tell me something. What did Peter say?
What I said was, we need an arch. Oh no, not arch. If we can put a walkway from there, we can have a loan here.
But you have a lawn this side also.
Hey, just shut up, man. I'm not talking about that. We have a loan here.
What is
And
wrong?
then over there, a swimming pool. That would be great.
It's gonna be very boring.
Yeah, she's right.
Let me just plan something. If it doesn't work, then you can put somebody else on the job. Come, let's plan it out.
You saw the expression. Something is going on here.
Yeah,
Sir,
right.
I have a doubt. What's wrong with the lawn coming this side, sir?
Oh, God. You know something? You talk too much.
Really? You know something? If a swimming pool comes this side, it'll be superb. Standing upstairs, you will get a perfect view.
Forget about all that now. Come on now, let's go inside and prepare our lunch. Come, let's go.
Hey, Rose. If we have an arch there, it'll be nice, no?
Not bad. It looked nice. It actually has a traditional touch to it.
Oh, that is good.
I'll give you the plan in couple of days. Why don't you start with the preparations of construction?
Hey, that is fine.
Oh god, there's a power cut. This is bad. Na 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 na. Peter, there's something fishy in this house.
What is the problem?
I don't know, but I can feel some bad vibration.
Hey, I haven't felt that.
I felt it, buddy. You gotta believe me.
Hey, come on, man. Hey. Hey. What is this? A coconut falling down?
You didn't believe me, right?
Hmm. What should I do now?
What are you thinking about?
Hey, here come. Just sit.
Your tea.
Thank you. Hey, what is our plan? Before the rain comes, will something happen?
Let's see. We'll work something out. Tell me the truth. How much did you pay for this entire house?
Oh God, I won't say that. That is my trade secret.
If it's your trade secret, don't tell me.
Hey, don't do like that. Come to me, darling.
What's going on? You cheat?
Why did you come here?
You should not have done this to us. I'm sure he is a cheater of the decade. My God.
Oof, God.
Oh, where's Peter? He was right here. I'm quite sure he's gone to that girl's room. Let me go see. I won't leave him today. Peter? I'll leave. Oh, I didn't expect this from him. He's a nasty fellow.
Hey, Peter! Peter, can you hear me? Open this door. Switch on the motor, there's no water. Peter, are you there? Oh. Hey! Peter! James! Can you guys hear me? Stop messing around, okay? Open the door! James! Peter!
Oh, this door's not opening.
Did you call me?
No, I didn't.
Something is going on here. What is this, sir? Very peculiar.
Mr. Roy,
Sir?
since how long have you known this place?
For almost 25 years, I know this house, sir. It was an old building. After demolishing it, they have built a very good house. Yeah. Why are you asking, sir?
Just a question. It's been on my mind.
Hey bro, tell me what is the problem?
Have you guys felt something unusual about this place?
What is the problem?
What's wrong? No problem at all.
Hey, I don't think so.
I feel the same too. I'm sure there's some problem in this place. There's something which has been following all of us.
What do you mean?
Well, I had a bad dream last night. I put a leaf in the water. It showed me that something's following us. I also confirmed about this after speaking to my master. We gotta find out.
Peter,
Hmm.
there's something wrong with this entire house.
What is it?
I really can't point a finger at this.
Hey, I don't think so.
There is some sort of discomfort here.
Both my friends told the same, and now you are also saying it. I don't understand.
Something is there. I told you what I have to. Rest is up to you now.
What happened to all these people?
Mr. Roy? Roy!
Roy!
Where are you? Where did
Mr.
this
Roy!
man go?
Roy! Woo!
Where did he go?
Hey, Peter's here.
Peter?
Did you see Roy?
No.
He's not over here, buddy.
Where will he go? He'll be here only.
We looked for him everywhere. He's nowhere to be seen.
Oh, he'll be here, man.
Now, who'll go and buy the beer?
You will go.
Me?
Yeah.
He's not here. I searched him all over the place.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, if he wants to go, he can go.
Such a
Whatever.
useless fellow.
Hey, we didn't see him.
I'm back.
Hey, you got it?
Yeah, I got it, buddy.
Did you see Roy anywhere?
I didn't see him.
I don't know where he would have went.
I'll be right back. Wait till then, okay?
Yeah, you come fast. Hey, take that glass.
Okay.
Oh God. Bro, come fast.
Coming. I'm here, guys. Pour the drink. The shop was crowded.
That's okay. We got what needed. Oh. Hey, Rose. I need some water.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Here, water. I'm going to lie down.
Okay.
Where am I?
Mr. Thomas, is your suspension over?
No, sir. 1 month more.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we have brought the girl here.
Did you try contacting any of her relatives?
No, but her husband called here.
Okay.
Sir,
I'm just getting in. Before you leave, just meet me and go.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
there's water for you. Hey, get up. Have water. Get up. I don't want. Have this water before sir comes here. I don't want. I told you I don't want. Why don't you want to drink the water?
Just leave her. I hope ma'am will cooperate with us.
Yes, sir, she will. Move it this side.
Can't you listen?
Hey, come on.
Sir.
What is this? You ask her in a sober way. She's going to cooperate. Please be seated. What's your name?
Diana. Diana Jackson.
Where do you stay?
My house is very far from here.
Look, this is just a formality. I hope you understand, Diana. Tell me the truth. What happened that day?
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
It's okay. Cool down. Cool. I can understand. But Diana, you should try to recollect something. How did you land in that house? Did you come with someone? Or were you alone?
Nobody was there with me. I will make her talk, sir.
Hey, Stella.
Sir.
Let us talk peacefully.
Sir.
Why are you unnecessarily creating a tension?
Sorry, sir.
Diana, did you come with someone?
I don't know anything, sir. Can you give me some water?
Constable, get us some water. Samson, tell me.
Sir, I have reached, sir.
Yeah, just wait there. I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Just take your time and think peacefully. Now tell me, who's there at home?
My husband.
What do you actually do? I mean, any job as such?
Sir, I'm an architect. I had to observe an old building which is at a place far away. It was actually a one-week trip. April 28th was the day, I think, when I left home.
Okay. How do you know the people who died?
Sir, I do not know the people who died. I don't think I have met them before. I don't even know where those people belong.
How can I believe that? Why do you go to that place with people whom you don't know? Or why did you go there at all?
Tell him. Can't you hear he's asking you something?
Why don't you reply?
Not required. Diana will tell me. Stella, let Diana relax for some time. I will just leave now. But upon my return, you should recollect everything. Did you get me?
Sir, it's that property, right? I'll sell it for you easily. Oh, sorry, sir.
Samson. It's been how long that I've told you about my property? You have a boss, right? What's his name? Geo
George.
Geo George. Awesome person. You miss it, sir. I asked you to sell the property because I need some money right now. Even if the price is little less, please get the deal done.
Okay, sir, we'll get the deal done,
Okay.
sir. Sir, the documents are all with you, right,
It's
sir?
been a long time that you're telling all this.
I'll get it done, sir.
Constable,
Sir?
just call Jerry here.
Sir, he is not here, sir. He is gone outside, sir.
Oh, that's right. Then you do one thing.
Sir?
In my drawer, there's a brown cover.
Okay, sir.
Just bring that here.
Sure, sir.
Will it be done? Tell
I
me.
promise you, sir, I'll get it done, sir.
Dear sir,
Ah.
I'm Jackson. I am Diana's.
Oh, Jackson. Come.
Yeah.
You'll get the paper now. Okay, sir. Yes, please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Jackson, you got to know everything, right?
Sir, what actually happened? I am very confused. I saw a news on TV that Diana killed 3 people. I can't believe it, sir.
Diana's fingerprints was noticed on their bodies. Now, once the postmortem reports come, everything will be clear. When did Diana actually leave her house for this place?
April 28th, sir. She went to examine an old house and study it properly. She used to call me for 10-15 days regularly. But after that, she was not reachable.
Who is it?
But after 1 week, I gave a petition in the police station.
Regarding man missing?
Yes, sir.
Thereafter, no further contact, right?
Right, sir.
If she started for that place, then how did she reach here? Moreover, that house is not that old. Actually, I cannot match anything that is being said here. Diana doesn't remember anything either. It's complicated.
She won't do such things. I am very sure. Please help us, sir. We don't have anybody. Please.
I cannot save you guys. If she has killed those people, she will be punished. Do you want to see her?
Yes, sir. I want to see.
Sir.
Constable, ask Stella to come here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Samson. You got it right? Yeah. Okay. Right, I'll call you back.
Sir,
This is Diana's husband. Please take him to her. And if we are through with our procedure, we should make arrangements to go to the court along with Diana. Paulson will be with you.
yes, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Jackson.
Please come.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Jackson.
Yeah. Hey, please don't cry. Hey, don't cry.
If you guys want to speak something, you can go to the other room. Make
Yeah,
it quick,
okay.
but
Come.
I do not know
Hey,
what is happening here. I cannot remember anything, Jackson. I cannot remember anything. What will I do now?
hey, come on. I don't know what to do. To be honest, what is happening, I don't understand. Whatever you remember, you should tell him, okay? Everything will be alright. And then, I haven't told anything to our parents. I am there with you. Don't worry.
Enough. Please come.
The triple murder case accused Diana is now under police custody.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Please sit.
Thank you, sir. The dead people's name and address, I got it, sir. One person is Peter. He was staying here only, sir. The other person is one Mr. Sam from faraway place. Third person was George. He is also from faraway place. I got phone call list of Peter. Here it is.
Yeah, show me.
I have called that person who has contacted him.
What did he say?
He was friend of Peter, sir. Before few days, they were working together. He doesn't work anymore with them. He is in town now. I have asked him to come here.
Okay, good. Did the owner of the house call you?
Yes, sir. He is in more tension, sir. He is asking any problem will be there for his return.
Why unnecessary tension? Ask him to come first. Then he can think of whether he should go or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay? You can leave.
Okay, sir.
Are you Peter's wife?
Yes. Please come in, ma'am.
No, thank you. I shouldn't be asking you under these conditions. But it's under investigation and I have to ask you. We checked Peter's call list and your number is very rare in that. Are you guys separated or something?
For past few days, I'm staying here. We did have few issues among us. But why, ma'am?
Nothing like that. But I had to investigate other details as well.
He is busy with that murder case. Okay then.
Martin, that's you. Yes, sir. What exactly happened? I don't know anything, sir. What did Peter tell you when he called you? He called me to tell he bought a cottage and that need to be renovated and there are some other things to be done. And did you go there? Yeah, I went there, sir. When did you go? Exactly, sometime at night. I think it's on the 10th, sir. I had called him from the place where he asked me to call me. But his phone was switched off, sir. And to seek revenge, you killed them. Yes or no? No, sir. Then who killed them? Tell me. No, sir. I don't know anything, sir. You may leave now. But when I call you, you should be here. Did you get me? Sure, sir. You go. Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
house owner has come, sir.
Please ask him to come in.
Okay, sir. Morning, sir.
Please take your seat.
Thank you, sir.
We can go to your house, right?
Yes, sir, we can go. Sir, 1 minute. Hello? I will come tomorrow. You will be there, no? Okay, okay. Shall we move, sir?
We shall. Mr. Paulson, open the door.
Okay.
And you please wait here.
Okay, sir.
Please get into the vehicle.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Constable,
Sir?
we should meet that Charles once again.
I'll call him, sir.
No, we should go there.
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Suburban Police Station?
Yes.
This is Area Circle Inspector speaking to you.
Yes, tell me, sir. Go ahead.
I'll give you the address.
Okay, sir.
Rose.
Okay, sir.
You got to check this address. It's just a guess.
Sure, sir. I'll look into it.
Thank you so much.
Sir, where is CI, sir? He's inside. Sir. Hello, sir.
We can go in your vehicle.
Okay, sir.
You were in Switzerland, right?
Yes, sir. More than 25 years.
How do you know the people who died?
I don't know, sir. I have not even seen it.
Your staff said that your property was purchased by them.
What can I do, sir, if someone says so? I have told my friend 1 year back about selling the house. But he has died before 6 months back.
Who's that?
One broker, Mr. Roy.
Oh. Yesterday you went someplace, right? Any business, personal matter?
I have gone to his place to give away a parcel to him. What is the matter, sir?
Hey, nothing. Just simply asked. And driver, just take a U-turn, please. Hello?
Good morning. Hello, sir. This is the sub-inspector speaking.
Yeah, tell me.
I investigated the case.
Tell me.
What I found out was that a few years ago, a girl committed suicide in that house. Her name was Rose. The case was closed long back.
Okay. I'll be coming there soon.
Okay, sir.
Just fax me all the details that you
Diana, see, if you could give me the exact answers to my question, it's good for you and for me, okay? I shall tell you what I know, ma'am. When I regained my conscious, I think I was lying on the floor if I'm not wrong. Actually, what exactly happened there? Do you remember how you ended up in that house? When I realized that I'm on the first floor, I came down the stairs. The front door was slightly open. When I opened the door and stepped outside, I saw 3 bodies in a pool of blood. The house was unoccupied for so many days, Diana. How did you come from inside? I don't know anything, ma'am.
Sir, Diana's husband has come here, sir.
Please send him in.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir.
Please take your seat. Things seem to be a little too complicated, Jackson.
What happened, sir?
Number one, your wife is not cooperating with us. Each and every time she says she doesn't remember anything. Now, after recollecting all this, she says she was lying on the top floor of that house. Now, that house was locked for 1 year. How will she have entered?
Sir, I don't know anything.
Now you also don't know.
Sir, I am telling you the truth.
I'm getting it.
Sir, we have applied for bail.
No way, Jackson. Till the remand is not over, you will not get bail. Moreover, all the evidences are not supporting Diana. The fingerprints from the dead body and the DNA samples are a perfect match. Moreover, it's a cold-blooded murder.
So now, what will we do?
I'll try my best. Let's see. You please wait outside. I'm coming.
Okay.
I am Rose. In this big house, I'm the only daughter to my mom and dad. Today was my birthday. We all went to the church together. My dad got me a new laptop. I have been dreaming about this laptop. And then, I met someone on Facebook today. He started by wishing me for my birthday, but something very different about him. Diana, can you try and remember that old house that you visited the last? Yeah, that old house.
Diana is tension free now. Yes or no, Jackson? She feels much better now. Diana, can I ask you something? Do you know someone by the name Rose? Now come on. Rose told me that she knows you.
She said that she knows me, but I don't know her.
Is it so?
But why, sir?
Hey, nothing. I just simply asked. It's okay.
Welcome to News Agency. A new evidence on the triple murder case, but the police are doubtful. As per the polygraphic test conducted on the accused Diana, the police is confused because the statements given by the accused Diana is true. The police is requesting for a narco analysis in the court against Diana.
Diana Jackson. I know everything now. Even more than you guys know. Now, I don't know what's going to happen exactly. In fact, I have investigated this case with 100% sincerity. I know that Diana is innocent. For you guys, I have done exactly whatever I could do. Maybe that supernatural power that pulled you into this will find a solution for this also. Okay. Let's see. Just wait and watch. So this is my report. So this is in fact a rare case, sir. Over and beyond our law and order, a supernatural power has actually played in this case.
What do you mean, my dear officer? I am not able to understand.
Sir, my personal experience from this case is actually what I've mentioned in this report. And I have felt it.
What foolishness are you talking, my dear?
Some truth seem to be very foolish, sir.
That day, I lied to my parents that I'm seeing my friend, but I saw Peter. But
People are looking at us. Come, let us go.
Oh, Peter, why are we here?
Hey, nothing. We will just talk. Don't worry. Come.
Leave me. Leave me.
It's okay. It's me, right?
No, leave.
I am really hungry. I will go and buy something and come. What do you want?
Anything.
close this door.
Who is it? Peter! Peter! Leave me! Who are you? Please don't do anything. Peter!
Hey, what happened?
Peter!
Hey, what happened?
Some guys came in here.
Who came?
I don't know.
Okay, let me go and search.
I'm scared. Phone? Peter?
Hello, bro. Everything is fine, right?
Huh?
I hope everything went as planned. Yeah. No, don't worry. I'll take care of her. Okay then, bro. Hey, can you hear me?
Today is my life's final day. I don't think there is any point in living on this earth. There is no point in me living. I'm leaving this world forever. This is not a suicide note. This is my life.
You know something? What you told me I can understand, but our department and the judiciary, they will not accept it.
But court will not accept it. I'll tell sir.
Right.
Madam, what should we do?
Don't worry, Diana. He's working for you guys.
What are we supposed to do?
It is a complicated case. We'll have to think about it. You know every details, you know.
What will we do, Jackson?
Hey, I know you haven't done anything wrong. We will do something. Hey. Hey, where did he go?
I'm back, guys.
Hey, did you get it?
Yes, of course. It was a struggle, but I managed somehow.
Did you see Mr. Roy anywhere?
I didn't see him.
We don't know where he went.
Here you go, buddy. Wait for me. I'll go change.
Hey, get some glasses.
All ready.
Hey, come man.
Coming. The shop was so crowded, you know. It took me nearly 2 hours to buy this drink.
That's okay. We still got it. What happened to the broker?
Oh no! God, no! No! Leave me!
Did you recognize me now? I'm Rose. I trapped you guys in my net. All this that you are seeing over here are my imagination. You destroyed not just me, but my family also. I cannot leave this world without killing you.
The report which I have given you is actually very true. I have not done anything that goes against the law and justice. And I don't think there is anything more to be discovered than whatever I have done. And I don't want to tamper the facts for the sake of law. And this is not a case of that sort. So now, everything is in your hands. Okay, sir.
Okay.
A 8 years girl was molested by a 45-year-old man.